Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by 876 Commercial Complex and we are giving you a tour of the new Kia car dealership being built out here. Now this is a massive development. This is one of the largest developments taking place at the 876 Commercial Complex. Now Kia currently has a dealership location on Oxford Road, but they will be moving from that location to this one once this facility is finished. So I'm going to give you more information on what's happening out here. Kia Jamaica is expanding with a much larger dealership and service complex at Ferry, and it represents one of the biggest automotive investments currently underway in Jamaica. According to ATL Automotive Group, both Kia and Honda will relocate from their existing Kingston locations to a new purpose-built campus in Ferry St. Catherine during 2026. The new development will be located near the Ferry Commercial Complex and ATL's existing vehicle processing facilities. The project will include two modern showrooms, one for Kia and one for Honda, large service centers with 14 vehicle lifts each, expanded customer parking, retail parts stores and larger parts warehouses, administrative offices and customer lounges, a dedicated test drive track, and a new training center for ATL staff. The Ferry campus will span approximately 376,000 square feet, making it substantially larger than the current Kia operation at Oxford Road. ATL says the move is intended to improve customer service, increase service capacity, and accommodate the growing popularity of the Kia brand in Jamaica. Kia has become one of the add-on's top-selling vehicle brands since ATL assumed distribution in 2018. The current Kia showroom remains at Kia Motors Kingston on Oxford Road, but once the Ferry facility opens, Kia's sales and after-sales operations are expected to shift to the new campus. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.